Hi guys, Ceramic85 here for you with a little video about an annoying squeaking noise inside the cab of my Dodge Ram 1500. I'm doing this video because maybe one of you have the same problem and you don't know where it's coming from, or maybe you have a better idea on how to solve this noise better than I did. One day I noticed the noise while driving around and it was really bothering me, but I couldn't figure out where it was coming from. Finally, I found out that the noise was coming from a metal edge of the cabin scrubbing on the fuel tank. The cab is bolted onto the frame through these rubber pieces that you see right here, which are supposed to keep the engine vibrations and other noises from going into the cab. Now, because of the rubber, the cab and the frame have tiny differences in the movement as the truck's being driven around. If now for whatever reason the sheet metal of the cab touches the fuel tank, which is bolted to the frame, you get this annoying squeaking noise and also a slow destruction of the tank. Because I noticed that the metal already left an indentation, which I think is bad because I don't want to pay for a new tank or anything. I don't know why there's not enough space between the cab and the tank anymore. I didn't take out or loosen the tank or the cab at any time. What I did to solve the problem for now was I took a piece of carpet, which you see here, and I slided it between the tank and the cab metal. The noise stopped and the tank is protected from the more or less sharp edge of the metal, but the tension is still there, so maybe you have had this problem before and you know how to solve it better than me. Please comment on this video or subscribe to my channel if you like to. Thank you very much for watching. This is Ceramic85 signing out for today.